Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In this video, I am going to show you how to create an asset in Oracle Fusion application. Oracle Cloud provides an integrated asset management application that can be used to define and maintain asset for an internal organization or an external customer. An asset is an item, things, or entity that has potential or actual value to an individual customer or an organization. So assets are high net worth product owned by the organization. After you enable the asset in the sales application, sales people can create and manage asset associated with their customer and associate with their activities like appointments and tasks. So let's move to the application and see how to create an asset in sales implementation. So this is the home page of the Oracle Fusion application. So I'm going to click on this asset tab, or either I'm click on this navigator option and click on this sales and click on this assets. So this is the page. Now you can click on this plus sign over here. So in order to create a new asset, click on this create asset button. So this is the form to create an asset. Now asset owner. So this is the owner of this asset. So I'm going to select one owner from the list. So I'm going to select this BISP. So this is the owner for this asset. Product type. There are two types of product type. One is group and another is product. So I'm going to select product. In the product, we have to select one product from the list. So I'm going to click on this search button and then click on this and search for this product. So I'm going to enter laptop. So I'm going to select Ultra 14 laptop for that. So I'm selected and click on OK. Now purchase unit price. So you can enter the purchase per unit price. So I'm going to enter 5,000. Now status. We have a two type of status. One is active and one is expired. So this is the active asset. So I'm going to select active status. Serial number. So this is the serial number for this asset. So this field is optional, but can be defined for the asset based on their serial tracked item. So you can input. So this is the serial number. Quantity. So the quantity of the new asset, if the asset is associated with a serialized item, then the quantity is said to be 1 and it is not editable. You cannot edit this quantity, and if the asset is associated with the non-serialized item, then the quantity is said to be 1, but it is editable. So I'm going to enter 1 for this asset. Now purchase date. So I'm going to select today's date for purchase date, and you can input the description for this asset. Right now I'll leave this. Now click on this save and close. So you can see over here the asset gets created, the asset number over here, the product name, the account name, the purchase date over here. So click on this asset number. So this is the summary of this asset, and you can add the team member for this asset. You can add the contact for this summary. You can add the contact for this asset, and this is the sell tab. So you can create an opportunity for this asset, and you can create a lead for this asset. So this is all about the asset. You can how to create an asset. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.